Hello and welcome to the very next learning video on chain rule. In this learning video, we are going to take the problem where the chain is already established and we'll see how to approach to those problem on the topic of chain rule. So without wasting much time, let us see what this problem says. So this problem says if u is equal to if u is a function of RST and RST are the functions of x, y and z, then find the value of this. Okay. So what is the first thing that you need to do in the problem like this? The very first thing that you need to write down is the given thing. What is given here? Yes. So we are given that u is a function of RST, where what is R and RST are the functions of x, y, z. As you can see, it is explicitly written there, where R is x by y, S is y by z, and T is z by x. Okay. Now, without wasting any time, let us find out all the 9 derivatives which will help us in finding out this del u by del x, del u by del y, and del u by del z using chain rule. Okay. So what is del r by del x? What is del r by del x? 1 by y. What is del r by del y? So derivative x is constant, derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. So I will write x constant into derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Okay. And del r by del z. So there is no term of z in this r, so its derivative is 0. Okay. Next find out del s by del x. So del s by del x is no term of x in the s, so derivative 0. Del s by del y. So del s by del y, so y is there, so derivative of y is 1. 1 by z is constant, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. And del s by del z, there is a term of z, so y is constant, derivative of 1 by z is minus 1 by z square. Now let us find out the rest of the thing. So these are the 9 derivatives you can find at least. Okay, now apply the chain rule and find out the first one. Because the problems of this proof dates are very simple. What does it say? You just have to find out del u by del x multiplied by x, give it as equation 1. Find out del u by del y using chain rule, multiplied by y, you will get equation 2. For this you will get equation 3, add those 3. So by chain rule, let me write. By chain rule, we write first of all del u by del x. So what is del u by del x? Apply the chain rule, use the function of RST, and RST are the function of x, y, z. So this is del u by del r into del r by del x plus del u by del s, del s by del x plus del u by del t into del t by del x. Okay, you have the values, you can substitute. Del u by del x is equal to del u by del r. Del r by del x is 1 by y plus del u by del s. What is del s by del x? That's 0 plus del u by del t into del t by del x. This is minus z upon x square. Okay, now multiply this equation by x. The moment you multiply this equation by x, I am writing it here. So this is x del u by del x is equal to del u by del r into x by y. Second term is 0, no need to write, minus this is del u by del t multiplying by x, 1x get cancelled, so that would be z by x. I have already taken minus sign common. Okay, say this is to be my equation number 1. Let us find out the equation 2. Oh, so sorry. The next is del u by del y. So what is del u by del y? That's del u by del r by del y, del u by del s by del y, plus del u by del t into del t by del y. You have the values. I will multiply by y also, and okay, let me write it as it is. Del u by del y, del u by del r. What is del r by del y? R is this, so del r by del y is minus x upon y square. Del u by del s by del y is 1 by z. This is 0. Del u by del t into del t by del y is 0. No term of y there. And now you have to multiply this equation by y. So therefore y del u by del y is equal to del u by del r minus x by y plus del u by del s into y by z. Say this is to be equation 2. Now let us apply chain rule for the third one. It is just a matter of writing, nothing new. Whatever you have done for applying the chain rule for del u by del s, simply try to write it for del u by del y and del u by del z. Similarly, del u by del z is equal to del u by del r into del r by del z plus del u by del s into del s by del z plus del u by del t into del t by del z. Now you have the values substituted. So this is del u by del z is equal to del u by del r. Derivative of r with respect to z is 0. Del u by del s into derivative of s with respect to z is minus y by z square plus del u by del t into del t by del z is 1 by x. Now what to do? Just multiply it by what? By z, of course. From where you get an idea, like we have to multiply this by this thing by z, by looking at the result that I want to prove. This. Okay, so multiply it. Z del u by del z is equal to, this is over, this is del u by del s minus y by z plus del u by del t into z by x. Say this is to be my equation number 3. Now what to do next? Next you have to add all the 3 equations. So let me write down one sentence here. On adding 1, 2 and 3 we get, on adding 1, 2 and 3 we get, what we get? X del u by del x, left hand side add together with left hand side, y del u by del y plus z del u by del z is equal to equation 1 del u by del r term, equation 2 del u by del r, this plus term and this minus term is cancelled, that is 0, then del u by del y. Okay, I think I need to write it. So first you write down this term, x by y del u by del r minus z by x del u by del t, then plus which term we have here, this one, minus x by y del u by del r plus y by z del u by del s, then the last, this minus y by z del u by del s, and the term of t plus z by x del u by del t. So as you can see, there are 6 terms, out of which 3 are in plus and 3 are in minus sign, so all these get cancelled, and at last I get my result to be x del u by del x plus y del u by del y plus z del u by del z is equal to 0. Here I am getting these values to be 0. Doesn't mean in the first example also I got answer to be 0, right? In second problem also I got answer to be 0. Doesn't mean in all the question you would get answer to be 0. Okay, so it depends on problems. Sometimes you may get 0, sometimes you may get a non-zero value. Okay, so this is what we have in this learning video. I try my level best to cover as many as variety of problem on the topic as I can. So this is what we have in this learning video. So thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.